Among the most important and eternal principles of Islam is the principle of leadership or Imama, which is also called guardianship, wilayah. In Islam, the leadership of the universe and society is a divine responsibility that is not left to just anyone, and Allah makes known to the people, those righteous, qualified and worthy persons that He has chosen to perform this important task. Their presence in the universe is crucial for its continued existence. During the time of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, the leader and guardian of the universe as well as the Islamic community was of course the Prophet himself, peace be upon him, and he was never irresolute about performing this important task. He was infallible, divinely endowed with knowledge, divinely ordained as the Prophet and leader, morally excellent, and he performed many miracles in the eyes of the people, as proofs of his righteousness. He received commands from Allah via angel of revelations, Gabriel, and communicated them to the people. He was commanded by Allah to implement justice, and to lead, through his sacred leadership, the Muslims to the right path towards perfection. The management of all the social affairs was in his hands. In doing his tasks, he would confer with the people, but the final decision was always taken by him, based on the revelations, and Allah gave him complete authority with regard to his infallibility. He was aware of the best and long-term interests of the people, and was more qualified than they were themselves to guide and to lead them to felicity and freedom. That's why, in the Holy Quran, Allah tells us, the Prophet is more in authority over the believers than they themselves. But this leadership and guardianship is not limited to the time of the Prophet, peace be upon him. Rather, the people of all times need a divine leader and guardian. For this reason, under the command of the Almighty Allah, the Prophet, peace be upon him, appointed Maulana Amirul Mu'minin Al-Imam Ali, peace be upon him, to be the guardian of the universe and the leader of the community after himself. At a huge gathering of Muslims, while returning from his farewell Hajj, the Prophet, peace be upon him, announced at a point called Qadir Qam, he whose guardian I am, also his guardian is Ali. Thus, it was by the order of Allah that Maulana Amirul Mu'minin Al-Imam Ali was ordained by the Prophet, peace be upon him, as the immediate leader and guardian of the universe as well as the Islamic community. Likewise, Maulana Amirul Mu'minin Al-Imam Ali, peace be upon him, in turn, did not leave the universe and the people without a divine leader. At the command of Allah and in accordance with the decree of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, he appointed Al-Imam Al-Hasan, and made this known to the people. In the same way, each of the infallible Imams appointed a successor to lead and guide the universe as well as the society, until it came to the turn of the 12th Imam, Al-Mahdi, who, at the order of Allah, was hidden from the vision of mankind. The Mahdi is the last Imam. He will appear to inaugurate a long period in which the world will be filled with justice and righteousness. Then, a new period so called, Rajat, will begin.